age distribution. It is otherwise called age structure also. So in most types of population, individuals are of different age. So the proportion of individual in each age group is called age structure or age distribution of a population. The age distribution of the population influences the natality. You know what is the meaning of natality? The birth rate, the mortality, that means the death rate, and also the reproductive ability, which is determined by the age of the females. And hence natality denotes the numerical representation of young ones produced in a unit time by the same age group. Similarly, the chances of death are more towards the earlier than the later period of life. Mortality is under the control of the age. So therefore the ratio of various age groups in a population determines the current reproductive status of the population, and also it helps in anticipating in future. And if you just look into this slide, the major functional or ecological age groups as three types. One is called as a pre-reproductive or juvenile or the reproductive phase. Another one is reproductive or adult phase, and the next one is post-reproductive or old age phase. So the relative duration of these age groups in a proportion to lifespan varies greatly with different organisms. In human beings, the three ages are relatively equal in length, about a third of this life falling in each classes. Many plants and animals have very long pre-reproductive period. For example, the insects, they have a long pre-reproductive period, a very short reproductive period, and no post-reproductive period. So the next slide you can see the age structure in different types of population. So this indicates the age pyramids. This is a model representing the geometrically the proportion of different age groups in a population of an organism, of any organism, and it is called as an age pyramid, and otherwise called as the age sex pyramid this age pyramid is very typical bar graph in which the number or proportion of the individual in various age ranges at a given time is shown from the youngest at the bottom of the graph and the oldest at the top. You can see the youngest at the bottom, that is pre-reproductive age, and the oldest at the top, that is the post reproductive age. Okay, and it is useful in monitoring the commercial exploitation of the food species by man, among the other things. According to Bodenheimer in 1938, there are three basic types of age sex geometric figure. One is pyramid with a broad base or triangular structure. It indicates a rapidly expanding population with a high percentage of young individual and only few old individual. High percentage, here you can see high percentage of young individual and the low percentage of old individuals. So this is a triangular structure. You can see that it is a triangular structure, and thus in rapidly growing young population the birth rate is high and the population growth may be exponential as in yeast, housefly and paramecium, etc. And the next type of population is bell-shaped polygon. So it indicates a stationary population having equal number of young and middle-aged individuals. So if you compare this, you can see the equal number of both young and middle-aged individuals. So as the rate of growth becomes slow and stable, that is the pre-reproductive and reproductive age groups become more or less equal in size, the post-reproductive group remain as the smallest. The post-reproductive group remain as the smallest. And the next type of pyramid, you can see it is a horn-shaped structure which indicates low percentage of young individuals, and it shows declining populations, such as urn-shaped figure which is obtained where the birth rate is drastically reduced. Here you can see the birth rate is drastically reduced and the pre-reproductive group dwindles in proportion to the other age groups of the population. So other reproductive group is more compared to the pre-reproductive age. The reproductive as well as the post-reproductive is more, and it shows urn-shaped pyramid, and this shows a bell-shaped pyramid, and this shows the broad base or triangular shaped pyramid, and this explains an expanding population, this explains the stable population, and this explains the declining population. So this depends upon the pre-reproductive age of the individual, that is the expanding population, a stable population, and a declining population. So this is about the age structure or age distribution.